Good afternoon, everyone. I'm presenting on a case, microspirophakia in association with anterior segment dysgenesis in morphoid habitus. Microspirophakia is a rare abnormality of the crystalline lines characterized by the decrease in the equatorial diameter and increase in the lens thickness. It is associated with the various systemic syndromes like Weil-Matthiesseni, Marfan syndrome, Lowen syndrome, homocystinuria, and Alport syndrome, Axenfeld-Rieger syndrome. And locally, it is associated with aniridia, ICE syndrome, and megalocordia. It leads to ocular complications like secondary angle closure glaucoma, subluxation or dislocation of the lens, and intermediate pupillary block and high myopia. Here my case is to report a rare case of a bilateral microspirophakia with anterior segment dysgenesis and systemic association. It is a 36-year-old male patient born to a non-consanguineous marriage presented with a gradual diminution of vision in both eyes since 10 years. On general examination, he has a low set ears, high arched palate, mild dentition, and arm span greater than the height. On ocular examination, AR reading in the both eyes is -20 spherical diopters with -4.5 cylinder in 10 degrees axis, and in the left eye is -20 degrees spherical with -5.75 cylinder, and the axial length is 28.02 and 28.50 mm in the respective eyes. On anterior segment examination, iris is showing iridodonosis and the lens has the phacodonosis. Best corrected visual acuity is counting fingers. On dilated examination, we are able to see the equator of the lens with the zonules. Applanation tonometry readings of 14 mm of HD and 17 mm of HD under no anti-glaucoma medication. On gonioscopy, it shows an opal angle with iris process in all the quadrants. Fundus photographing is showing a high myopic fundus with no treatable peripheral lesion. Chest X-ray is showing, to rule out the spine and the chest abnormalities, we have ordered a chest X-ray, but it showed a left-sided diaphragmatic hernia, but the patient is asymptomatic. And serum homocysteine levels are slightly elevated, which are 15.7 micromoles per liter. The result is, this patient is diagnosed as a both eyes anterior segment dysgenesis with microspirophakia, was suspected to have a Marfan syndrome or a homocystinuria. But the genome sequence revealed as positive for Weil-Matthiesseni. Conclusion is, this case shows the importance of genetic study in every case. The phenotype of this patient is suggesting of Marfan's and homocystinuria, but the exome sequence came positive for LTBP2 gene, which is in compound heterozygosity variants, which is not present in publicly available population database. This is a rare presentation that the phenotype is suggesting of the Marfan's, but the genetic analysis came positive for Weil-Matthiesseni. So it requires a proper genetic evaluation is required in these rare cases with overlapping syndromes. Majority of the patients need awareness in this of the condition and a regular ophthalmic follow-up. Thank you.
आपकी शुरू की स्लाइड्स लाना एक मिनट, स्टार्टिंग स्लाइड सेकंड थर्ड जरा. क्या हुआ? This slide, 1 minute. We are presenting from which hospital that is already submitted.
Okay.
So you need not to highlight that thing more. जैसे किसी ने एक presenter ने बोला कि I am so and so from this hospital. Because 3 minutes, what is important, positive पूरा आना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? Then एक और slide आपकी, वो लीजिए जो जिसमें syndromes दिए थे आपने, syndrome जो दी थी ना correlation में और ऊपर शायद. सिंड्रोम्स दिए ना सारे इसमें आपने, इट इज कॉमन विथ ये जो है, तो पूरा आप दे रहे हैं तो हाईलाइटेड इसको थोड़ा सा बोल्ड करके दे दें और जो स्पेसिफिक 4-5 बोल दीजिए, बाकी वी कैन गो थ्रू मीन्स है ना, बिकॉज यू हैव टू कंटेंट इन योर टाइम. और टाइम के बाहर गए तो ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव चला जाता है वो, है ना. तो ये एक प्रेजेंटेशन में हमेशा चीज़ ध्यान रहे कि व्हाट यूज्ड टू बी हाईलाइटेड उसको आप थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा उसमें दे दें प्रेजेंटेशन में. दूसरी बात, शॉर्ट टर्म्स यूज़ करते हैं पर ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन बाय स्पीकिंग फुल वर्ड्स, ओके, क्योंकि दिस हैज़ कम मोर नाउ. POAG ये सब बिल्कुल शॉर्ट में चलता है सारा, और होता है कई बार हम बैठे हमें भी नहीं मालूम थे कुछ शॉर्ट टर्म्स जो में भी है ना. तो प्रेजेंटेशन में इट शुड ऑलवेज बी फुल टोल्ड वंस एट लिस्ट. बाद में आपको जरूर लग रहा है वहाँ शॉर्ट यूज़ कर लें उसको, है ना. ओके, थैंक यू.